Guys, I'm Terrell Brazel with Mossy Oak Properties. Come check out this 297-acre tract on the mighty Altamaha River in Tattnall County, Georgia.
Acres, live oaks standing tall, pastures wide open, and the kind of sunsets you'll never forget. This ain't just property, it's a legacy. A place to raise cattle, cast a line, or build something new. Welcome home to the Altamaha. High on a bluff where the river rolls wide, Altamaha water shining like pride. Two homes waiting, a cabin, a brick, pastures with pines where the cattle still stick. This ain't just land, it's a dream come alive. 297 acres where a family can thrive. From the live oak shade to the sandbar shore, it's a Georgia legacy. Couldn't ask for more. Fenced and cross-fenced, cattle still roam. Every acre whispering, make this your home. Deer in the fields, turkeys take flight. River cabin glowing in the pale moonlight. This ain't just a land, it's a dream come alive. 297 acres where a family can thrive. From the live oak shade to the sandbar shore, it's a Georgia legacy. Couldn't ask for more.